over there. And the city in the back. Where flowers reflecting off the buildings and shit. That's what them fools are. Oh shit, I think I missed a big one. Damn! Giving y'all a little bit of a narrative. No, man, like I said, though, I love, though, that it's still all love. Regan asked me and talking, it was like, you know, it wasn't about being nosy, it was about how much they cared, you know?
There's a big difference.
Yeah. So you could tell, exactly, you could tell the difference. Wow. I'm gonna get one of those big loud ass ones again. Ooh. I should enter a little water. It's fucking bad. Alright, I'm gonna come back to this.